Hi, I'm Bill from Journey Beyond. Today we've picked up a set of heavy-duty jumper cables from Bunker Industries. Don't go away yet, these aren't just jumper cables. These you can hook permanently to your battery and have access to your battery anywhere you want. We will probably run ours next to our winch. But yeah, you can plug in with any number of accessories, but jumper cables are just one of the good uses these are for. Come on along and I'll show you how it works. I like the fact how Bunker Industries does a good job with their packaging. You notice this is a double box. So you've got the box that holds the product and you've got the box that takes the brunt of the shipping. So even though that outer box was a little bit damaged, inner box is fine. It's a good move. And there's the cables. We'll get these opened up and have a look at what we got. All right, so it comes with a nice carrying bag to keep in your vehicle. We're talking about a set of booster cables. They're surge protected at 1500 amp. They're 1 gauge and 30 feet long. So let's take a look at what's inside. Looks like we got some good hardware to permanently hook everything to the battery and to route the cables. Got a nice instruction manual to go with it. They feel very heavy. There's a lot of copper here. That's a good thing. So you can see what I'm talking about here. This top ring of wiring is for mounting permanently to your battery. Then you've got the positive side and the negative side hooked to a nice Anderson plug. So you won't even have to be front to front, back to back, side to side. You can be anywhere you want around the vehicle, and these are going to reach because you're just plugging into your front bumper and running them where they need to go. I'm pretty sure over the years with the type of off-roading we do, I'll find other uses for these as well. We're not just jumping vehicles, but we can put power where we need it, when we need it, how we need it. So it's going to be pretty nice. This product's actually manufactured by FireyRed, which is a sister company of Bunker Industries. We've gotten several products from Bunker Industries and we've really never been disappointed. It's always good quality, heavy-duty products. And the same applies here. Good heavy 1 gauge copper wiring, good insulation, heavy alligator clips. I like these Anderson plugs, heavy-duty, nice weather-tight seals to snap on each end. Plenty of room to hook up to the battery and get to whatever location you want for your quick connect, for your cables. Instructions, good quality hardware. I'm looking forward to getting this installed. Let's get her done. All right, I'm going to open this hood for the last time when I need to jump start something and get these installed. Let's see what we can get into. All right, so the first thing I want to do is just hook up our leads that'll go to the actual jumper cables outside of the hood or engine compartment. So we've got our positive and our negative going on the battery. We'll fish this out front through the grill by the winch. And in all actuality, I will fish from the winch up to the battery and then hook it up. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, I've got the plug in approximately where I want it to be when we're finished at the front bumper. I'm routing the wiring up through the engine bay towards the battery compartment, pretty much along the same lines that I ran the winch cables originally that I installed. And next, I'm going to figure out my routing as far as negative and positive terminals here. I don't want to take any length off of these cables, largely because I may run them differently someday. For instance, when I get a in-house battery system in the cab, I might actually fasten those cables or these same cables to that battery so I have the option of jump starting myself or running power to a power hub in the back for USB, USB-C, and 12 volt and all the different things you might want to run while camping. So these have a multitude of uses and not just in jump starting your vehicle. Let's get these routed and see how they work out. And finally, I'm going to zip tie the cables to make sure they're secure. They're not going to move about, and most importantly, not chaff against anything that can cause a short. This is full battery power here, and you don't want to cause a short. It can cause a fire. It can be very catastrophic. So check things over real close as you work your way all the way back down to where the plug is. Everything's secure and it has a good clean run. All right, now you can see we've got our Anderson plug right here that we can plug straight into without ever opening the hood with our jumper cables. It's mounted there fairly secure. I've routed the cables all the way up through behind the radiator and grill, behind the air box, and then up and around to the battery, both negative and positive cables. So I say, now that we're ready to roll, let's go find something to jump. What's going on?
Well, if I had to guess, I'd say my battery's dead.
I got you covered.
You might be looking at these and thinking, couldn't I just get a jump box for that? But remember, these have a lot of uses that have nothing to do with jumping a vehicle. And if you're interested in seeing what else you might be able to do with these, you should come over to Journey Beyond Overland, check out our library of adventures, and stick with us, because you never know when they're going to turn up again. Thanks so much for joining us. If you liked this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And until we see you again, make sure to go out and find your own adventure.